This Facebook ad campaigns has generated over 58,000 of sales in the last month with an ROAS of around 8, and we have spent just $7,000 on this campaign. So in this video, I'm going to explain you regarding how you can set up a high converting Facebook ad campaigns in under 10 minutes and get 7+ ROAS for your business. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly the exact campaign objective you should use and how to set up a sales campaign the right way, the best targeting strategy in 2026, and which placements converts the most, and finally how to write a high converting ad copy and get massive number of purchases. So let me share my screen. I will walk you through regarding how you can create your first high converting Facebook ad campaigns and get 7+ ROAS. So I will be creating the ads on a demo account. So here just click on create button, and here you can see 6 goals. So as this is a sales campaign, we need purchases on our website, so we will go with sales campaign. Now I will type the name as demo campaign, and I would suggest you to choose ad set budget. So by this you can test multiple ad sets, multiple audiences at one campaign. And on the ad set level you can rename it to anything. We will rename it later once our audience is finalized. So your account should be linked to a Facebook pixel. So here we have a pixel connected, and we are tracking purchases on this campaign. Here we can choose budget. Let's say I'm keeping it 500 Indian rupees, and here you can choose the location. If you want to exclude any location, so you can exclude by here and tapping here. Let's say I'm excluding Mumbai. So this is how you can exclude the location from your ad campaign. For now I'm going with India, and here is the audience section. Here you can select the age, gender, demographics. We will finalize our audience later. First we will add some creatives in our ad campaign. Let's say I'm creating a campaign for a mirror brand. So here I will add the website ABC. So when creating a campaign, I would recommend you to go with one video ad, one catalog ad, and one carousel ad. If you have multiple videos, so you can go with 2 videos and one catalog and one carousel ad. So total 4 creatives. So I'm choosing a video. So by the way, if you are running any promotions, promo codes, you can add them here. Let's say I'm choosing any video. So we have added a video, and regarding how you can write the ad copy instantly with AI, I will show you how. So first of all, go to your ChatGPT, search your company name and add the website. So you first need to train your AI to get it familiar with the website. I'm running Facebook ads for this to sell mirrors in India. So you need to talk more and more with your ChatGPT to make it familiar with the business. So it has given you multiple lots of information about the business. It has also created the ad copy for you. So let me prompt it. So write 3 ad copies, write 3 primary text ad copies and 3 headlines for selling LED mirror. Let's say I'm selling LED mirrors, so we need to be specific with the niche product category. So here it has given me multiple ad copies, so let me decide. So here let's choose this one. So here you can paste your ad copy here. Also in the bottom you can add shop now, or also any offers codes you want to add, you can add them there. So as this is a demo campaign, so I will be just adding 1 ad copy and 1 headline. You can follow the steps and add more ad copies accordingly. I will keep advantage plus creative text active, because it will show our ad copies to people as its AI algorithm, and mostly it performs really well. So this is a video ad, so I will rename it to video 01 and I will duplicate it. So this second I will be using 2 videos plus 1 catalog ad campaign, so I will add a new video here. So I have added the video, and third I will be adding a catalog. So in order to add catalog, you need to activate it. So from here you can just simply click advantage plus catalog ads, and from here you need to click on carousel, keep it active, and from here you can choose the category. So let's say I'm creating ads for the LED round shape LED mirror, so I will select this, and in the headline if you want to show the price of the product as well, so here you can simply add price as well. Here you can choose price, so here it will show the price as well. But the titles are too big, so that's why it's not showing, but let me show. Yeah, so now you can see it is showing the price. Also there is another format that I would recommend you to choose, because it is performing really well nowadays, that is instant experience. So another format is instant experience, so here you can choose it. So from here you need to click on collection, and from here you create new. Here you can choose multiple variations, but I would recommend you to choose this one, storefront, and from here you can select the products. Let's say I will go with the LED mirror. And from here you can select a video, custom video. So let's say I'm choosing, you can choose any video. Let's say I'm choosing this video. Continue, then done. It's taking loading. So it will gonna show our ads like this. It performs really well, guys. So it performs really well, so I would recommend you to choose this placement as well. So let's go to our ad set. Now let we finalize the audience. So here, for example, if you have a budget of 500 to 2000 rupees daily, so I would recommend you to go with two ad sets. Let's say I have a budget of 500 or 1000 rupees daily for this account. So in the location, in the targeting, I will be targeting, let's say, like, for if I'm selling mirrors, so my target market would be people from 25 years of age to 65, and gender I will be targeting both. And in the detailed targeting, I will be targeting the people who are interested into mirror. So if you click on the search bar, it will show you some other interests that are relevant to the interest you have selected. So from here you can select new house, first time buyer, first time home buyer. In at one campaign, just test 4 interest, and in define further we will select engaged shoppers. So as this is a shopping campaign, so it is, I personally recommend you to narrow down your audience and select engaged shopper as your in your behavior as well, because it will show your ads to those people who are into this interest, but they are also the people who has a purchasing power. So this is our audience 1, and I will quickly duplicate it. So in audience 2 you can test another audience. So let's say in this campaign we tested this 4 interest. In the second one I will test a different interest, like luxury goods, modern furniture, living room, bathroom. And in the define further I will select engaged shopper. And so once you set up the audience, you can quickly review the campaign, like your budget, your creatives, your ad copies. And once everything is set up, once everything is all set, then you can simply publish the campaign from here. So this is how you can set up your high converting Facebook ad campaign from scratch and get 5+ ROAS for your first campaign. If you have any question in this setup, so comment down and I will get back to you and answer to your queries. And if you find this video helpful, please, I would recommend you to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing related content. Thank you guys.